Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making puff puff, but please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends and families. These are the ingredients we'll be using today. We have vegetable oil. You can use any of the oil of your choice. We have flour. We have sugar, nutmeg, active yeast powder, and our warm water. You can get any of this in any grocery store. It's very easy and nice. First thing first, we'll be mixing up our yeast and our sugar because sugar makes it react faster. So I'm just gonna mix that up together with warm water. Mix thoroughly, cover with lid, and set aside in a warm place. You can put it anywhere, but usually I like putting it in the microwave because it's pretty warm in there. You don't have to turn your microwave on. And next thing, I will be adding 3 cups of flour into a bowl, then 2/3 of sugar, then a tiny bit of nutmeg. Trust me, you do not want a lot of nutmeg, you just want a tiny bit because it's gonna overpower the whole thing if it's too much. Then I'll be adding my yeast mixture and a cup of water. Sorry I didn't show you, I forgot to video that, but just add it and mix nicely till it's creamy and it's not lumpy. Once that's ready, cover with lid and maybe a napkin and set aside in a warm place. Once it's risen, and after leaving it for about 20 minutes, mix it together once again. As you can see, it is more stretchy and thicker. Mine is not overflowing because I'm using a very big bowl. So mix it together and set aside. Get a very deep pot and add your vegetable oil and let it heat. If you want to know when your oil is ready, just add a tiny bit of the batter to it, and once it starts sizzling like this, you should know you're ready to go. Then start frying your puff puff with your ends. If you don't want to use your ends and you don't want it to be messy, or you don't even know how I'm doing this, you can use another method, which is using this round measuring spoon. It is very easy and neat. Just scoop that into the hot oil and fry. It's gonna give you the same shape, but using your ends is more faster. Fry till it's golden brown, and once it's ready, on a paper towel and let it rest. Then you can serve with any beverages of your choice. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.